3 ways to beat invisibility in your organization. It is possible that you were never a people person, or because of recent happenings over the years, you might have fallen into the invisible zone, and it is not playing well in your career. In this video, I will share 3 simple strategies that you can easily implement to break through that invisibility and become a known name at your workplace. So the first thing that you can do is to think about an initiative that you can run. Usually when I take the word initiative, people start thinking really big because they want it to be something that matters. But the twist here is to think about something very small, extremely simple, that you can implement on your own, that you do not have to depend on others to deploy. So things like establishing center of excellences. For example, you are a vice president in your organization, or let's say a director or even a project manager. You can set up a center of excellence for the people at the same designation, where it provides grounds for people to come together, learn, share, contribute, and get visibility. The best thing that I personally love about this approach is that the burden is not squarely on your shoulder of running it. So every other meeting, somebody else chairs it. So you give opportunity to different people to share their experience, problems that they have resolved, and that becomes the breeding ground for relationship building, for other people to get visibility as well as you getting visibility, because it will always be named as your baby. Other ideas for initiatives can come if you simply observe the problems that your team is facing or the wider group. Setting up best practices, creating templates that will make life cool, that will increase efficiency, that will reduce time spent, that will act as a measurement technique for something, or a simple 5-minute stretch session where you invite the entire team from 11 a.m. to 11:05 twice a week, either virtually or physically, where everybody breaks through that status quo, the day-to-day rut that they keep doing their daily routine, and they come to a place where they can have a few smiles, they can have a little bit of stretch, they get fresh, and they go back to the work. Just 5 minutes, but it will be taken as your baby, and you'll get all the credit for moving the entire team together. My second tip is to figure out places where you can go and help people, where you can coach them, mentor them. Now, you're always a couple of steps ahead of at least someone, irrespective of your designation. So what you have to do is to reach out to the people who are in the same space that you were years back and contribute to them. Teach them from your experience, mentor them, add value to them. And few places where it is easy to get footing are Inclusion and Diversity Forum, especially for migrants, then Women in Leadership, men supporting men, men supporting women, and even fresh graduates, people who have newly joined your organization. If only you can go back and add value to those people, you will be able to create your own voice. You will be able to make it heard. You will be able to make it matter, and that will feed into your visibility along with a sense of contribution. Now, my third tip is for you to become super active on internal sites. Almost every company has an internal sites. Get really active there. Ask a lot of questions. Answer questions. Take part in discussions. And this is an amazing way for you to get noticed by people who are 2 levels above, 3 levels above, 4 levels above. Because in real life, you may not have an open door to them. And by getting noticed by these people, you will create the know, like, trust factor that will come handy for you to create sponsors who will start speaking for you behind closed rooms. Those rooms that you do not have access to. And a bonus tip, I really want to give this one. So if you're from technology, and if you have a strong hold over an area of knowledge, I would encourage you to write a white paper on it. Even if you haven't written white paper before, do it. It is not that complex. And that white paper will become your ticket to gain enterprise-wide visibility while just sitting on your desk. Works really well for technology people who love to work in a silo and would still want to get known in the organization. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share it with the people who you think would benefit from it. And if you're further interested in getting more tips to become visible in your organization, put in the comment ebook, and I will share a complete ebook that contains 21 tips on how to become visible in your organization.